As a strangero in the Azores, I don't have as much knowledge about the history of the area as I'd like. So throughout the year, I try to find events that I can attend to learn more about the local culture. One of these events on São Miguel is Porto Formoso's Início de Colheita, or Start of the Harvest. The first Saturday in May, the Chá Porto Formoso tea plantation does a recreation of a traditional manual harvest of the tea leaves. And it is not just the staff. A lot of people come in to assist with the reenactment. Kids and all, full families, dressing up, doing the recreating. People involved vary between those who are there to play a role and act, and those that are there, just taking part with their family. From around 9 to 10 in the morning, the reenactors are arriving to take part. They're socializing and getting all set up. Photographers weave between each other to get candid photos of the participants, and everyone is enjoying the weather. It was particularly nice this year. I did start feeling the heat of the sun on the back of my neck, so I had a little bit of worry that I might burn, but no, I didn't, so yay me. Once all the actors are in, and arranged and ready, the event kicks off with a roll call of participants.
Senhoras primeiro, Norte, Návia, Eva Jardim, Laura da Návia, Daquinha.
We also get to see the interactions between those who run the plantation and those who work at the plantation.
Bora! Rapariga!
After a roll call, the workers are guided to their areas in the field. Men will take up hoes and till the ground between the rows of tea. And the women pluck the leaves. As they go about their work, others walk the area ready with refreshment. And from what I understood during the day, the drink would often be wine, and maybe water. Maybe. And just as an aside, there is nothing better than a sassy tia. We had at least 2 in the fields that day. As the women collect the tea, it is gathered in a big basket and taken away wrapped by a burlap tarp. After around an hour of this, the workers are called to head up to the front of the plantation where they are joined by 2 guitarists to accompany them as they process from the front of the property back down to the outdoor social area, singing as they walk.
Pouco de marmelada, bailando ao assobio, bailando ao assobio. Não tem se pode cantar, a voz não tem que fugir, vamos estar tocando. Ó carapuça, ó calça larga, jaqueta apertada por causa do frio, é regalo ouvir a marcha do assobio, é regalo ouvir a marcha do assobio.
By the time they are back, the tea is presented on the patio along with boards for rolling the tea leaves. As the singing completes, people will grab handfuls of the tea and roll it, to be patted into balls and trayed up for their next step in the process. At the same time, others break out classic games like jump rope, spinning top, and weaving. This is where some people watching can engage with the reenactment, by helping roll tea leaves or by joining in a game. Also, all the usual components of the plantation are open, so you still have the history component, you still have the tea making component, you still have the gift shop, all of it open and available to everyone there. So it's not all about the reenactment on this day. Now, it appeared that this event would yet go on. I'm not certain for how long. My guess is that some more tea making steps would potentially be shown before it would be over. Sadly, I had other priorities on the day and had to call it quits. Maybe it was early? Maybe this was near the end of the event? I'm not sure. Maybe next year I'll come back and stay longer. But this event is very enjoyable. There's a lot of little things going on that you can take part in or just observe. It's just really delightful. Chá Porto Formoso's Início de Colheita happens on the first Saturday of May every year. It's easy to find right on the North Highway. In the meantime, there's more to see and do. Summer's closing in, and that's a great time to explore the Azores.
Porto Formoso, Porto Formoso, sem igual. Tu louvarás Nossa Senhora da Graça, sempre serás em todo Portugal.